Yo, yo, yo. Alright, so we back now. Gonna do a quick breakdown for the week. Today was Veterans Day, so it was a bank holiday, but the market moved like crazy. Let me go right here. Where we at? Okay, let's go to opening. Yeah, you got a little crazy move right here, a little drop. Or was that? No, I think it was the Dow that had moved. But anyways, I'm gonna clear these charts real quick. This was last week's markup. I mean, it's still pretty valid, but I just got too much going on now. We kind of been on a little bull run here on all the futures as far as uh NQ, ES, YM. Shit, Bitcoin been on a run too. I think it's at like 80,000 or some shit like that. Alright, so let's get rid of that. Let's clean up these charts a little bit and let's get where it's relevant at. Mm, Like I said, this was all last week's. I mean, it's still pretty valid, but coming into a new week, I like to make sure everything's as precise as can be. Alright, so we're gonna start off on the daily. We got these highs right here for resistance, 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 and now it looks like it's just in that area, chilling right at that key level at 21 212. So that looks good right there. I don't really see no. I guess I can. Hmm. I'm gonna take this weekly off right here. I see another little area right here. Right here. Yeah, that looks good. As you can see, we got support, resistance, resistance, support all through there. So that looks good as far as that for a daily level. And that's gonna be at 28, 208.53. What's this right here? That's a daily level. I'll keep that where it's at. It's 4 hour level. Uh, I'll keep that where it's at for now. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that where it's at for right now. Now I'm gonna delete it. Let's clear it off. So now we're gonna drop down to the 4 hour. Usually, like the 4 hour is kind of the equivalent of the daily. Um, I'm not too picky on that. It's just whichever one makes more sense to me. Let me see. I think I like that right there, but then I like this right here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that where it's at. Um, I might mark these lows right here at 21, 93, but I'm gonna see how it looks on the hour and put more significance towards that as an intraday level and rock that way. So let's go down to the hour. So we got popping. See if we can make it make sense. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna mark that off as an hourly level. Mark that off as an hourly. We also got another little area right here to look at if once we do break above, or if we break above 21 220. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. More towards relevant price. Oh, whoops. Wrong marker. I used the short ray on this one. There we go. It's gonna be our 1 hour level at 21 266. That looks good right there. I'm also gonna mark another hour level right here. I like how that looks. Multiple rejections right there. Support, support, rejection, rejections. Yeah, so I like that right there as a 1 hour. Try to get it as precise as possible. That's a 1 hour level. Alright, so we're good. It's gonna be if this happens, then we'll do this, and if that happens, then we'll do that. So far, that's all the levels that I see that's relevant right now. Um, if we break below this, let me see where we're at on the 4 hour. So 4 hours still maintaining structure. Got the high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I mean we can see it pull back into this structure one more time for a retest, or simply just wait for a break and retest right here of this daily level and take it back into this 1 hour. If we break this 1 hour, then you can maybe target somewhere up here in the highs. Um, yeah, let's see. Let me go to the 15, see what's on the 15. Got these little highs right here. Also support. I mean, sorry, resistance. Where's my trend line tool at, bro? Oh, okay. Like this little area right here. See all that? That's all valid through there. So if we break and retest, we'd look to take it right here. We break above that, we can look to take above this 1 hour level at 21,266. Break above that, then we could target that next high right here. Break above that, then target the next one. Break above that, then yeah, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm gonna make this a little smaller and mark it how I like to mark it. I'm gonna mark it right there. Lower time frame, and that's a 15 minute key level right there. So that's NQ. Looks pretty good. Chart's not too messy. Easy to see. Easy to plan. Easy to execute. And you just repeat it. Alright, so let me go on ES real quick. MES. So I'm trading the minis. I'm still doing this top step challenge. I had went into a little bit of drawdown from my own fucking mistakes. Over trading, over leveraging. It's been a constant little part that I still been trying to learn. Well, not learn. I know what I need to do. I just keep going against the grain. So yeah, like I said, I got in a little bit of drawdown. I was like maybe like 500 from losing the account, and then now I think I'm actively up. What am I up on this account? Um, this account I am up. Where's it at? I think I'm like 2K. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, so yeah, I'm like 200 away from being at 104, and then I need to do 2 more K after that. So I got to get the account balance to 106. That's the run percentage right there on run ratio, like right at the 60s. Like I said, a lot of this got knocked down because I was over trading, um, and fucked up my risk to reward ratio and shit like that. Um, and shit like this, yeah. That came from that time I was sinking. Let me see, I think I could show you. So like this week wasn't that bad. So Monday I had that green day, one red day, $15, then that, then that, then that. Okay, so it's shown by the weeks. Okay, cool. So yeah, that wasn't that bad. But then right here, this is what I'm saying. This is where I fucked up my account at. Fucked it up right there with that. And let's see. Okay, yeah. So I just started this account. But yeah, I went into heavy drawdown on that. Anyways, let me get back to this. So yeah, this is ES, S&P, SPX, whatever you want to call it. Let's go to the daily, see what we looking at. Weekly, I don't really see shit. Daily, let's see what's popping. Daily, we don't really got no, like at all times. Like it's just kind of in no man's land right now. So the most patient thing to do is, for example, wait for it to correct itself and retrace back down into this structure. Pull back down into this structure area right here. You can't see it clearly with that arrow. I'm gonna just box it in for y'all. This whole area right here. Pull in somewhere in this zone. Like I said, I mark my levels off with a line, but the whole price area is just a zone. So yeah, that's the daily. I don't see shit on the daily, but I'm gonna mark this off. You know, mark this off like right here, like that. So keep it by the projections. Let's make them all touch. For some reason, I mean, you can mark them how you want. Some people be like, hey, I like it right here. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here, right there. Shit, it's just whatever makes more sense for your eyes to see at the end of the day. That's gonna be our daily. That's gonna be at 59.15 daily. Previous structure. We got this area right here. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna keep us low key in a little bit of a range to play in. Right there is cool. How does that look? Yeah, I like that a little better. So that's gonna be another daily at 57.26. Let me see. Trying to see, do I want to mark this area right here. I'm gonna see how that looks on the 4 hour. Gonna make some more sense from it from the 4 hour. Yeah, I can. So right about in there. As you can see, we got resistance, support, 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 resistance, breakthrough, boom, get that fat ass impulse. I said these key levels would be nice to have so you know where you're at and where to look for the most areas of liquidity and higher probability. So, okay, yeah, that's it for the 4 hour. This is like all like internal structure right here. Like you'll see on the hour. Trends a little more clearer to see. Shit was went crazy. Okay, so let's get back to it. I'll put a 4 hour right here. I like how that looks. Move that down just slightly. So we got a 4 hour level at 60.15. Let's lock that. That'd be the worst because sometimes I'll be looking at the charts on my phone, and if I don't lock it, these little horizontal lines are so easy to move. Why won't it let me lock it? Okay, cool. So now, like, if you start on the higher time frame, it's much easier to correlate it down to the lower time frame and understand where you're at in price. Okay, yeah, I like that. See what we got on the hour. I'm gonna mark this area right here, the 1 hour. It's gonna be a 1 hour level at 59.93.50 to be exact. We're just gonna lock that. Okay, I need to move this to where I can see it. There we go. And I'm not sure if I wanna. I'm gonna mark this area too. Right here is a 1 hour. Zoom in so you can see it. Now, this is on the hour. You see support, support, resistance, resistance. Broke it, retest, boom. Fuck is that? What that was. Alright, so we're gonna label that the 1 hour. But yeah, like I was saying, that's how it looks there. But then we go to the 15, and we can clearly see where we're at, even on the 5, for your opportunities. Boom, broke. Wait on the retest bounce. Boom, you could have took it back down to these lows. Oh, that wasn't even during hours. So if you're right here, Could have took that break a low right there with that strong closure. Boom, targeted this next 4 hour level down here, and so on and so forth. Bounce, boom, took up there. Shit, every time it came right here, boom, took it down to these lows. It hit it right there. I think I'm adjusted a little bit now. Let me see. Let me look at the 15. Yeah, I'm adjusted just a tiny pinch for my liking. Put it right more on the candle closures. Right there. Bam. So 1 hour is at a 60.32. 60.32 on that. Let's see what we got on the 15. When I get, yeah, I'm gonna mark this off. I'm not trying to get my shit too cluttered, but right there. So that's gonna be our minor key level right here at 60.23. I like that. And basically what you're gonna do is take it level to level once you understand the higher frame structure. So for example, boom, we come here, take that bounce back up. Boom, you could take that, retest, boom, take it back down. If it comes under, boom, wait on that, retest, boom, take it back down. Comes right here. Let's look at higher time frame. Alright, it establishes support. Alright, wait on the retest, boom, take it to this one. So just level to level, level to level. There's levels all through here. Alright, that's it. I think that's it for my chart. Um, we'll mark this right here. Yeah, we'll mark that off right there. Mark it more by the wicks. Yeah, there we go. You can see resistance, resistance, support, boom, retest, take it up, boom, broke under, wait on the retest, reject. As soon as it closed back under, boom, you could have took it to that level. Boom. Alright, yeah. So I think that's it for my markup for today. I will catch y'all in the next video. I just set up Discord chat right now, the Discord server. So I mean I got all the channels set up. It's just on building it. But I'm gonna drop the link to that below. I mean, feel free to join. Just starting up a little community. Everyone can network, share their journey, just like I'm on right now. But other than that, I'll get back to y'all soon. And good luck trading this week, y'all.